Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here with a quick tutorial for how to make your own copycat recipe for Reese's peanut butter cups. There is a secret ingredient that I use to make these taste exactly like the real thing. So while it is only 3 ingredients to make this filling, you will have to have a slight understanding of chocolate to pull this off. If you know anything about working with chocolate, you will know that you do have to temper it whenever you're using it to make candies and confections. Now, I do have a full and very thorough tutorial for how to temper chocolate, and that will be in the description box below this video. But for those who want to take the easy route, me, just grab yourself some non-tempering chocolate. I do prefer the King David brand as it is vegan and it tastes really good for the non-tempering chocolate variety, in my opinion, of course. I'm going to show you 2 ways to make these though. One with these fancy chocolate cup molds, and the other way is just simply with a cupcake tin and some paper cupcake liners. All the links for everything that I'm using will be below this video in the box, as well as the recipe link for the written printable recipe, which you're going to need. So first let's make the filling, and it is really simply just creamy peanut butter, a pinch of salt, which is optional, confectioner's sugar, and the secret ingredient is graham cracker crumbs. Believe me when I tell you this ingredient makes all the difference. So just go ahead and mix that up smooth, and then you're going to prepare your chocolate molds. Again, the chocolate must be tempered or this will not set properly. I am piping the chocolate into the molds and then pouring out the excess just so that I get a very thin outer shell. The other easier way is to use the cupcake liners. You're just going to pipe a little bit of chocolate in the bottom and then pipe in the peanut butter filling right on top of that. No matter which mold you're using, you're going to pipe in that filling on top of that first layer of chocolate, and then some more chocolate to literally seal the whole deal. And then once the chocolates are set, you can pop them pretty easily right out of these molds or just peel the paper liners right off. So as you can see, the ones made with the cupcake liners, you will see that filling popping through, but I can't say that I hate that though, and sometimes I feel like I like it better. It's a little bit more rustic. But the chocolate molded ones are pretty perfect though. So whichever way you prefer, just go for it. I used these peanut butter cups recently on my peanut butter cupcake recipe, and let me tell you what a hit that cake was. So if you want to take this idea all the way home, be sure to watch that video for the peanut butter cupcake and you won't be sorry. Actually, your diet might be a little bit sorry, but it's so worth it. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Be sure to head over to GretchensVeganBakery.com to grab all the recipes, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.